selling this motorcycle. You want to buy this? And it's full of stuff to get a beautiful motorcycle. And Papa fix it. This one started the light. Now
Is that for the light?
Now this one goes. Now this one starts. Now this. This is one is for the engine start, and this is a side mirror. It can turn. Look. Papa fix it, and this is one. This is for this and this. This is for the light, and this is for the. Okay, bye bye. I'm idiot. I'm telling this. In the diet. Okay. This is the light. This is again, boom boom. And this is the keyhole pula. This is the big boom.
Where is the tires?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Is that the tires?
Time of your big.
Ate Jojoy fixed it. Where's the light of that motorcycle? Where's the light? Yeah, that's the button for the light. And here is the light. Where is it? Yeah, that one, the LED. Oh. What else? What else do you want to tell about that motorcycle?
I'll buy it.
You'll buy it?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow. You really like it?
Uh-huh.
Is it look like a brand new one?
Yeah.
Wow, you really love it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to sell this motorcycle? Huh? You want to sell this?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Why you need to sell this? Why you want to sell?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.